let me ask you guys something. Do you find it? Do you find it? Do you find it interesting, fascinating that despite how many times you see it work, there's something inside of you that can't trust it, like you trust yourself better. Don't you find that fascinating? Does anybody find that fascinating? And no matter how many times I see this thing work, I trust myself better. And even though the results of me trusting myself are worse, I still trust myself better. Yeah, well, you're always going to see, Ella says, the problem is that I also see it not work. You're always going to see something not work, but you don't work way more than the list doesn't work. And that is proven over and over again. And the idea that I seem to always be lucky is false. Unlucky is false. It's false. Do you know why? Do you know why, Philip? You know why, traders? Because you create your experiences. And that is very true, Philip. You do remember the unlucky times. But you create your experiences. So this is not luck at all. It is by design. You are not in control of the design that's operating. There's a formula operating that brings you the same thing. You can't get anything in life consistently unless you are doing something consistently to get the consistency. Tell me you understand what I'm saying. If you're constantly missing the entry, you're doing something consistently to get that consistent result, good or bad. If you always find the losing play, there is something consistent that you're doing to create that. You know? So this is where your self-discovery has to come in. You know? It can't be consistent unless you're doing something consistent. So a lot of this is finding and removing, finding and removing, finding and then removing it. And that's how everything in life is usually built, from homes to buildings. You're removing dirt first, clearing the area. Unfortunately, removing trees, rocks, removing excess ground, earth, dirt, building the foundation. You know, you remove first. Nobody wants to remove. They want to keep and add to what they already have. They are accumulators. They're like bag people on the corner of the street begging for change with a shopping cart of all their little life collected trinkets. They don't want to get rid of the junk. They just want to add to the junk. Because it's work to remove, it's work to discover and remove, which has to happen first. Once again, you have to lose your life to gain it. You have to lose stuff to get a new life, a new way, a new skill, a new ability, a new level.